Hey you, stuck on how to create videos for your business? Are you YouTubing how to create a business video? What if I told you there's an easy way to follow? What if I told you there are easy to follow videos, simple information to understand, all with PDF freebies? Keep watching to learn more about these videos. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed that skit. That skit really brings out a very important question. How do I create video content for my business so I can scale and ultimately get more subscribers, get more followers, get my audience to become customers? It all involves with two words: content strategy. It's just like going into the gym, right? And I've been there before. I'm at the gym and I said, I'm just going to go and work out. I'm going to do all the machines. I'm going to do all of this. And needless to say, the results aren't always as planned. Reason why? I didn't go in with the strategy, right? I didn't go ahead and target specific muscles in order to build growth. I just went in and did it. And we can bring that same example into video creating. Once you have a strong purpose for your video, this video is going to do this, then you're going to be able to bring in those customers, bring in those subscribers or followers to your page. And okay, I've been talking way too much. What's the point of this video? I'm excited to announce that I am going to be releasing videos on a weekly basis to build foundations and more knowledge around content strategy. It goes from ethos, logos, pathos, and kairos to hero, hub, and hygiene, as well as how to repurpose, video content for different social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and the list goes on. And wait just a second. Here is the beautiful part. I'm going to be accompanying PDF files that are free. I think I can say that out loud. That are free. There is no cost to anything. There isn't you got my content now, sign up for this if you want more. It is all free because I really want more business owners to take control of their video projects. So go ahead and click that link below for that free PDF. Next week's video is how to plan a business video, and we're going to start with the simple concept, and I'll give you a hint right now. Actually, just give it away. Beginning, middle, end. You're probably asking, wait a minute. What are you talking about? Beginning, middle, end, right? That seems way too simple. It is, and that's what makes it so special because a lot of us bypass it and don't even look at it, right? So without further ado, I'm excited to launch this new series. It's beginning next week, March 15th, 2021. Go ahead and hit subscribe, hit that like button, make sure your notifications are on, and go ahead and download that PDF now. Go ahead and look at it. And if you said, hey, that's all I really wanted, then awesome. I want to give. And as a video creator, owning my own videography business, and also as a teaching credential, let me repeat that. I have a teaching credential in arts, media, and entertainment. So I actually know what I'm talking about. So go ahead, like I said, subscribe, and I'll catch you next week. Peace.